Tervetuloa mun musiikkilukija diplomin konserttiin. Mä oon Karolina Kalda ja tän diplan nimi on More of Me, eli suomeksi enemmän minua. Mä oon ottanut mukaan tänne mahtavat tanssit, niin kuin näitte. Tehdään aplodit niille. Te kuulette tän diplan aikana aika monta eri biisiä. Kuulette balladeja, tai yhden balladin, soul-musaa, esitään seuraavaksi 2 biisiä. Yksi niistä on Stevie Wonderin Overjoyed ja toinen on musikaalista Waitress, She Used to Be Mine. I've been building my castle of life, yeah, just for two. Though you never knew you were my reason. I've gone much too far for you now to say that I've got to throw my castle away over dreams. I've been big out of perfect or true. Though you never knew it was of you I've been dreaming. The Sandman has come, but too far away for you to say come back some other day. And don't you believe that they do come true. Holding my dreams come true and I am for you. And maybe treating you for me, you too might be overjoyed. All the love on me.
these shoes and this apron, that place and its patrons, I've taken more than I gave them. It's not easy to know I'm not anything like I used to be, although it's true I was never attention's sweet center. I still remember that girl. She's imperfect, but she tries. She is good, but she lies. She is hard on herself. She is broken and won't ask for help. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine. And it's not what I ask for. Sometimes life just slips in through a back door and carves out a person and makes you believe it's so true. And now I got you, and you're not what I asked for. If I'm honest, I know I will give it all back for a chance to start over and rewrite an ending or two for that girl that I knew who was reckless just enough. Forget her, but who learns how to toughen out when she bruised and gets used by a man who can love. And then she gets stuck in being scared of the light that's inside her, growing stronger each day, till finally reminds her to fight just a little, to bring back the fire in her eyes that's been gone, but she used to be She's messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine.
Nyt mä kutsun tällaisen rakkaasta meillä on vielä 2 biisiä teille. Nyt me esitetään teille Anita Bakerin Sweet Love. Let's go.
With all my heart, you, baby, stay right here. Never fear, I will be all that you need. Never leave, 'cause I love. Hear me call your name. I feel no shame. I need love, sweet love. Don't you ever worry, it will always be this way. There's no stronger love in this world. I'll let you know you're my man, I'm your girl. I'll never go. Wait and see, can't be wrong. Don't you know this is where you belong?
Rafael Flores.
How sweet is it, how lovely, baby. Stay right here, never fear. I will be all that you need. Never leave, 'cause maybe I believe I belong. Sweet love, hear me call your name. I feel no shame, I need love, sweet love. Don't you ever make it will always be this way. This way. Sweet love, sweet love.
Kiitos. Mä tässä välissä esittelen bändiä. Pianossa Vilha Perttilä. Trummut Mila Mikkola. Kitara Rafael Flores. Bassossa Joona Paavilainen. Sieltä tulee viulistit Katri Mettänen ja Annika Virtala. Sitten mun rakkaat taustalauleet Vilma Kontra, Elena Sarjola ja Alma Nordberg. Ja mun kanssa on tanssinut ihanat Erika Hirvonen ja Helka Salonen. Tehdään niillekin aplodit. Seuraavaksi vedetään teille Whitney Houston biisi I'm Every Woman. Ootteko te valmiina? Hyvä. Me ollaan. Let's go.
Whatever you want, whatever you need, anything you want done, baby, I'll do it naturally. 'Cause I'm every woman, it's only me. It's only me.
Kiitos.